Hey guys, Xenox here. So today is going to be a full and complete video on the mean, median, mode and range. I've covered four quite short videos on these four concepts, and today I'm going to be doing a full run through of what all of these mean and how we can use them. So let's just take a very quick sequence. Oops. Okay, so this is our set of numbers, and first we're going to find the mean. So the mean is basically the average, and so I'm just going to write the mean over here, and this is where we'll put our answer. So to find the mean, we're going to sum up all the numbers, and I've made this quite easy because I've used some quite simple to use numbers to find the average. So 30 plus 20 is, I'm going backwards, 30 plus 20 is 50, and then 50 plus 10 is 60, and then 60 plus 8 is 68, and then 68 plus 2 is 70. So now that we know the sum is 70, we put the sum over how many numbers there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and so we put 70 over 5, and that would be 14. Okay, so this is 14, and so now we know the average is 14 out of these numbers, and always we can check, and the way we check is we check with the first number, well, the lowest number and then the highest number, and see whether it's in between those, and it is, and it's around halfway in between, so that is quite accurate. Now we're going to take another one. However, it doesn't have to be halfway in between. It depends what kind of numbers you have, but these numbers are quite spread out, so then anyways, oops, my Apple Pencil. Okay, anyways, median. So the median, what we're going to do is we're going to order them in numerical order. I've already put these in numerical order so that you can do it quite easily. And the middle number in this case is 10, because if we count inwards, count in 1, count in 1, count in 1, count in 1, we will land on 10. So that is how you find the median. This is 10. Okay, now we're going to do, what's the next one? Mode. Okay, mode. So, this is not a very good sequence for the mode. I'm just going to rub this out and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to write a new sequence that does, that you can calculate the mode with. So, let's do 1. And this is going to be a good one to practice the mode with, and also to practice the range with. So, let's start with the mode. The mode is the most frequent number in the set of data. So, as you can see, we have 3 ones, okay? So the best that we have is a group of 3. They have a group of 2 2s, but that's not the most frequent at the moment. Then we have 3 3s, okay? So these are both equal now for the top spot. This is only 1 6. Then 10, there's only 1 10. Oh, there's a group of 3 12s. Oh no, 6 12s. So we'll go over here. 12 12 12, 12 12 12. And that is a group of 6 12. And therefore, this removes this option and removes this option. Group of 6 12s. There's only 1 14. There's only 1 18. Only 1 20. Only 1 24, only 1 28, only 1 30. So, now we know that the mode is not 6, it's 12, because that is the most frequent number. It's not the frequency of the number, but it's the most frequent number. So basically, it's not how many times the number is repeated, it's what number is repeated. If you get what I'm saying. So instead of saying that there are 6 12s and therefore the mode is 12, then you'd be saying the mode is 12 because 12 is repeated 6 times, and that is the most number of times that it is repeated. If you get what I'm saying. So, let's get rid of this. Okay, now I'm basically going to sum up the list we had before of the set of data of numbers, and because what happened was we scribbled all over that one, so I'm going to have to rewrite it, and I'll just make it very, very simple. However, I will add a little bit of a twist, so that we can practice the last one, which is the range. Okay, this is our set of data. It is not in order. As you can see, it starts with the -5, but then it increases, but then it drops down to -10, and then increases from that point. So it is quite regular. So we're going to calculate the range of this one, and the range is basically, as you can see, the top to bottom difference. So we're going to find the lowest number. So if you look along the list, this is the lowest number so far. No, it can't be 1, can't be 3, can't be 5, can't be 7. None of them are lower than -5. Oh, -10. Okay, let's get rid of this dot. Okay, -10 is the lowest so far. -10 is the lowest so far. Then 30, 109. Okay, so -10 is the lowest number. So let's just write that here, lowest. And then we need to find the highest number. -5 is pretty low, and we know that's the lowest. Oh no, -10 is the lowest. -5 is the highest so far. Oh no, 1 is higher. Nope, 3 is higher. Nope, 5 is higher. Nope, 7 is higher. Nope, -10 is not higher. 30 is higher than 7 though, and 109 is definitely higher than 30. So 109 is the highest number. Highest. Sorry for my bad handwriting. I can change the pen size, except I can't really write with it. And then if we know that that's the lowest and the highest, we have to find the difference between them. And so it would take 10 steps for -10, or 10 increases of 1, to get to 0 from -10, and that would be 10, a difference of 10 to get to 0. And then to get from 0 to 109, it would be 109 places on a number line, and 109 increases of 1. And so we take the differences and add them together. So -10 to 0 is 10, and 109 to 0, or 0 to 109 is 109. 109 plus 10 is 119. And that would be our range. Okay, that is it for today's video. Hopefully I've explained what is necessary for you to understand this stuff. Yeah, so I've pretty much explained everything, I think. The definitions are always up here. If you want to just check back on my video, the video starts with this, so you can always just check it out. It may be in the thumbnail, actually, and so you can just check that out as well. If you need more individual help on each of these, there is a video separate on each and every one of these things. Coming up, I'm not sure what video I'm going to do, so please give me inspiration in the comments. If there's anything you need help with, then you can always tell me. But until next time, that is it. Goodbye!